First pair of 2021. I've been wanting to own this pair for months now. I think I've even posted about it a few times before. So this pair was included in the Hello Kitty collection released last March in collaboration with Sanrio. When I saw the teaser photos, I fell in love with the sandal straight away. I knew I had to get it, but unfortunately, it wasn't available where I lived. I tried to look for it everywhere, but it was sold out fast, and when people started to sell it in buy and sell groups, it was never in my size. I was pretty bummed out. I thought to myself maybe it was never meant to be, but late last year, the local online shop Amity Store helped me find it. Thank you, Miss Sweetik, for helping me find one of my dream pairs. If you have the chance, go check out Amity Store on Facebook. They sell lots of rare docs, among other items, and they accept layaways. This is how it looks. It's made out of vegan materials, and it has the signature Hello Kitty bow all over the adjustable double straps. It has a 2 1/4 inch platform heel, a white and yellow airwear loop, and it comes with a Hello Kitty keychain.